In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your iPhone keyboard larger. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But let's say you're going over to your keyboard and right now the keys are very small, but you might want them bigger so it's easily pressable by you. There's nothing you can do currently in the keyboard area, so what you want to do is you want to go over to your settings application. Once you do, it's going to look something like this, and you want to scroll down until you find display and brightness. So once you click that, scroll all the way down again and you're going to see display zoom. It says choose the view for iPhone, larger text shows larger controls. So just press that and just click on larger text and then click done. Then once that's done, all you want to do is go over to your app store. Then you can literally just type in large keyboard right here, because if you want to make it larger, you can do this. Go into large keyboard, find any keyboard that you want. I would recommend Big Keys keyboard. Then just go over and install it. Then once you have, go back to the App Store, go to search or wherever you need to type, and then on the bottom you're going to see that little globe icon. So just click on that and you're going to be able to change to whichever keyboard you want. And then, I can go back to the iPhone one if I want to, or I can go to Google board, or I can go to the large keyboard that I just installed. But that's it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.